Friday, April 9th, 2021. I'm hoping to find some mushrooms while I'm out here in the woods outside my brother's house. I would think I should find some by now, but we'll see.
See you're coming back to you now, and all your beauty, it is crowning all of you now. A lady's blisses in our rendezvous, my lady's kisses, they burn with something. Put her mind in me. We were undefined but free, falling from a fever tree, shuffling upon the deck, running from our summer debts, crushing in the discotheque. Some magic nightly charges me with the blues, tucked away nicely in the evening's hues. That something sound that Vista's missing views are all around. It's really the only truth. The daring moment is a dance through sound, a moving motion merges us with crowds. The city lounges and the languid air, hearts conversations only we can share.
Spent an hour out here looking around for these morel mushrooms. No luck yet. Seen reports that people are finding them all over Indiana, but I didn't see any today. Look like some of the plants that I've seen as a kid coming out here looking for morels look a little young, like they haven't had enough time to grow. And those are some of the plants that I would use in the past to determine whether or not that was a good spot to look for morels. So I think I'm just maybe about a week early. I'm gonna come back out here in a couple more days, maybe next weekend. Maybe I'll have better luck looking for them then. You see how these mayapples are pretty young still. In the past, that's been kind of my key indicator of if we're going to find any morels or not. But they're just kind of starting to come up. So maybe a couple of days, I think we'll have better conditions for looking for morels. Some other places people look, they look for old trees that have fallen down. They look along the sides of those fallen trees. Some people say you have to look on the east side, some say west side, some say south side of trees. Some say the downwind side of, everyone's got their own opinion where to find these things. Under acorn trees, don't look under acorn trees. If you find a dead animal, a dead deer, look within about 10 feet of the deer or whatever. There's just all over the place. But I think it really comes down to, you have to get into your mind's eye what you're actually looking for. It's probably a better option for a lot of this hunting for these morels. It's just go onto a website somewhere and look at images of morels. Burn that image into your eye and then come out here and look at all these dead leaves that look like morels. Maybe it'll help you find them a little easier. If you got an idea of where best to look for morels, put it in the comment section so we can all get a little smarter. Find these tasty little morel mushrooms. Alright, so now I'm finally out of the woods. It's time to do the tick count. Trying to find all these little guys. There's one of them right there. Looks like I got it pretty good. I only had 2 ticks this time. Last time I came out here I only got 1 tick. But I think I got these 2 ticks. I went through some grass right there at the end. They were low on my pant legs. There was a nice breeze, so I wasn't bothered by any mosquitoes, nor were I bothered by the flies.